Good morning from day 42. Had a good night's sleep, kind of getting ready to get out of here, but gonna have kind of an easy day. However, we are looking to climb over Chestnut Knob today, so that will be a bit of an incline, but for the most part, the rest of the day should be good. So looking forward to getting over Chestnut. Probably going to look to camp just over the other side of the summit. So we're looking at somewhere around 23 miles today. So let's get going.
It's too early for all this elevation. It's getting pretty cloudy. Feels like there's a little rain coming, but not too bad. Just a little misty. This is the last little climb, and then we have a whole lot of down. This is fortunately the first time I've gotten to experience this, but because of the rain, the trail is just a little river. Doesn't look like much rain today. It's supposed to rain quite a lot, but getting really lucky. Doesn't do much for the mud though. Having to stay on the side of the trail just because my feet are going into the mud pretty deep. The real green tunnel now. There's a number of hostels on the trail today, but I think in the next few days we're going to be stopping at Woods Hole Hostel, which I heard was a really cool place. But we have about another 50 miles before we get there, and just having resupplied in Marion, don't really need to stop anywhere else. Oh, here's the crossroads. We will be walking through some pastures today too, which is nice. This is so awesome. Whew. Whew. Man. We are in the middle of nowhere. It's even switchbacks and meadows now. Okay, this is kind of crazy. Right over the barbed wire. Ooh. Some crazy obstacles here. Okay. This is a little crazy right now. The umbrella. Probably should have taken the umbrella off. Okay. Who invented these? Was this the best that we could come up with as a people? Okay. I was gonna say Virginia is very ADA compliant, but after today I definitely take that back. Okay, Fjorden. Time to wash our shoes. This is a really beautiful pasture, but oh, it's a lot of ups in the rain. Back to the woods.
New shoes. Whew. Hey everybody. It's a very humid day today, and we're about to do our 2,000 foot climb to end the day. Just fjording a river and cleaning off my new shoes because they're so muddy. But we just have a few more miles to go with a 2,000 foot increase. On far out, people had mentioned that they, or a number of people, record their time to do this Chestnut Ridge climb, and most people were somewhere around an hour and 50 minutes. So not looking forward to it. This is all sweat, not rain, but the water feels really nice on my feet. But I'm gonna get going, and we're gonna be camping at the top. So let's get it over with.
This is a lot. Don't worry, this isn't it. There's so much more. Okay, we're almost to the top. There's a little reprieve here. It's so humid. I really miss the cold weather. I wish I started January 1st, if I'm being honest. This is a long day. I think we're gonna be somewhere around 24 miles, something like that. But we're almost to the top, and then we go all the way down. Oh, okay. We're practically at the top. Oh, it's so humid out today. It's just... it's a lot. We made it.